Hey chillers, happy new year. It's 2021. We made it, y'all. We made it. And this is my first episode for the year of 2021. Y'all, go get you a glass of champagne. Cheers. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is brows, but I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll be right back. And boom. If you want a tutorial on how to get these brows, just click that link over there. That should be right up in the corner, and you'll see. Today I'm going to be using the Glamlite paint palette and their Pro paint palette. Yes, your girl got them both, and so we're gonna use them both to do this look. I'm gonna be using the blue and pink, as well as some green, red, yellow, and I think orange, but we'll watch that. We'll see all that transpire. So go ahead, continue to watch this video. Oh, and if you haven't yet, go subscribe to my channel so you could get more videos like this. Also like, comment, and share. But I'm gonna be quiet now and let you just watch the magic happen. The blue and the pink are the background, or should I say transition colors for this look, and I'm trying to just buff them out and let them look as blurry as possible so that this look can be awesome. It did take me a while, but I was being patient. When you're doing your makeup, just be patient with yourself. I mean, if you don't have a lot of time, then rush that thing. But I was doing a video and I wanted it to be perfect. I had nowhere to go, like I never do. And I just wanted it to be perfect. I'm deepening it with the darker blue that I have in the palette, and I'll deepen the pink side with the purple as well, just so that when I cut my crease, it's awesome. Now I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in Rumor 2, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. This still takes me some time to do. I've not perfected doing it quickly yet. It's sped up, of course, so it looks like I'm doing it very fast, but I do really take my time. And if you're just learning to do this, take your time. There's no need to rush. I mean, if you know you're doing your makeup to go somewhere, start a long time before so that you can get it done properly and it looks seamless and flawless and just altogether amazing. Now I'm adding on that green that I told you about before, and this is from the Pro palette. So this is their lime green that they have in there, and all the colors that I'm going to be putting on now are from the Pro palette. So the blue and the purple were from the paint palette. They're the one that they had first, and this is from the second palette, the Pro palette. While you're watching, if you haven't yet, please go subscribe and share this channel with your friends. yeah, if you want to watch more makeup tutorials like this, subscribe and share. So yeah, the things start look airy. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on my lashes and apply liner and all that good stuff off camera, and bam, your girl's looking good. It's coming out a little different than I thought it would, but hey, makeup is makeup and it's art. Now I'm gonna put on foundation. Actually, before I put on foundation, don't forget this step, ladies. Y'all need primer. If you want that smooth foundation look, make sure you got on primer. And now I'm using Juvia's Place. Their foundation is full coverage. And yeah. So after I apply my foundation with the brush, I use a sponge to press it into my skin, as well as soak up any extra product that might still be there, and that also helps to create a matte finish. And now I'm going to use their concealer and do my highlight, and I'm also going to use their shade stick to do the contour. So yeah, continue watching that. Yes, your girl, I look good. Yes. So now I am going to just powder my face using the Fit Me by Maybelline and just press all of that into my skin so it's set. That's what I'm doing. I'm setting with powder. Doing my under eye. Don't forget to do your under eye, even if it's just mascara. Don't forget to do your under eye. But I'm going to drag that purple underneath and continue the line that was going across, and then I'm adding some blue to just complete that under eye look. And then I used a green liner, a yellow liner, as well as an orange liner to mimic the colors that are on my lid. Once all that is done, we're gonna set everything with the setting spray, and I love this Morphe continuous setting mist. It's just the bomb. Go get it, guys. And I'm going to just use this lipstick that I got from a hair supply store. I don't know the name, it's not on there, but I like it, so I used it and it did what I wanted it to do. Sometimes we don't have to spend all that money on lipstick and lip gloss, because the ones at the counter at the drugstore, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna add blush. I am not really a blush girl, so I do not lay it on thick. I feel like it makes me look more of a clown if I lay it on thick, so I use the darker colors and I lightly put that stuff on. Sometimes you can't even see it, but if you love blush, come on in. Then I put my highlight on top. I'm not a highlight girl either, but I've got friends who tell me that it looks good with the highlights, so I'm trying my best to change my thoughts about the highlights. Okay, so we're done, and the only thing I gotta do is take this bonnet off so y'all can see what's going on. Watcha. Look, Pana, she not pretty. Yes, guys, yes. And oh, I did my hair too, so y'all hit me up if you want your hair done. But yes, what? So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share and comment down below. We're in 2021, y'all. More videos to come. Please share with your friends. Thank you for being with me so far, and I hope you liked this tutorial. See you next time on Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. Bye.